A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fan, G for goat, S for hen, I for iron, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for pen, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sheep, T for train, U for umbrella, for van, W for wind watch, X for X-ray, Y